How well do you know about sweet potatoes? Is it just a sweeter version of regular potatoes, or is there more to it? Rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium, these high-fiber jewels are more than just a sweet treat. Unlike their regular potato cousins, sweet potatoes enthrall us with a spectrum of colors from the earthy tones to vibrant hues. And it's not just their taste and looks that make them special. In many developing countries, they play a crucial role as a staple food. So sweet potatoes are not just about the sweet taste, they're packed with nutrients too. Let's dig deeper. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, an essential component for a balanced diet. Fiber aids digestion, keeps you feeling full longer, and can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. This makes sweet potatoes a fantastic choice for those looking to manage their weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. But that's not all. These tubers are also packed with beta-carotene. Now you may be wondering, what's so special about beta-carotene? Well, your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is crucial for healthy vision, immune function, and even skin health. And the best part? The intensity of the flesh color in sweet potatoes corresponds to its antioxidant activity, meaning the brighter the color, the higher the antioxidant content. Let's not forget about vitamin C and potassium. Both of these nutrients are abundant in sweet potatoes. Vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties and its role in collagen production, which is vital for skin health. Potassium, on the other hand, is a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Despite being low in protein, sweet potatoes play a vital role in many diets around the world. This is because they are nutrient-dense and easily accessible, making them a key food item in many developing countries. So, there we have it. Sweet potatoes are not just delicious, they're jam-packed with nutrients that contribute to a healthy diet. They're a rich source of fiber, packed with beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium, and despite having lower protein content, they are an important food source globally. As you can see, sweet potatoes offer a wealth of nutrients. But how do these nutrients benefit our health? Stay tuned to find out. Sweet potatoes aren't just tasty, they're a key player in maintaining good health. Let's delve into the myriad of health benefits these vibrant tubers bring to the table. Firstly, sweet potatoes are known to improve blood sugar regulation. The high fiber content in sweet potatoes, including both soluble and insoluble types, slows the rate at which your body absorbs sugar. This helps maintain a steady blood sugar level, making sweet potatoes a beneficial choice for those managing their blood sugar levels. Next, sweet potatoes help in reducing oxidative damage. Oxidative damage is linked to chronic illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and aging. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A and vitamin C. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, thus reducing oxidative stress in your body. Speaking of beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of this nutrient. Beta-carotene is a type of antioxidant that gives certain vegetables their vibrant colors. In the body, it's converted into vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, immune system, and organ function. Eating sweet potatoes, especially the ones with orange or purple flesh, can significantly boost your vitamin A intake and help combat vitamin A deficiency. In terms of potential benefits for individuals with type 2 diabetes, the high fiber content in sweet potatoes can help. Fiber is known to improve metabolic health, and the high fiber content in sweet potatoes can help reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels and increase insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. However, it's important to note that sweet potatoes contain oxalates, which can increase the risk of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. While the risk is relatively low, those with a history of kidney stones might want to exercise caution. Clearly, incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can have a multitude of health benefits. But remember, moderation is key. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about sweet potatoes. These versatile tubers are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with beta-carotene, vitamin C, potassium, and both soluble and insoluble fibers. They play a vital role in regulating blood sugar, reducing oxidative damage, and even combating vitamin A deficiency. However, it's also worth noting that their oxalate content may pose a risk of kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. So, while they're an excellent addition to a healthy diet, they should be consumed in moderation. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Remember, a sweet potato a day can definitely keep the doctor away.